guys, and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Cash, my partner is Cram, and we're both here to teach you guys everything day trading and these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis, guys. Just a disclaimer, guys, we're not a buy or sell channel, so if you're looking for someone who's going to tell you when to buy and sell, then you're in the wrong place. But if you're here to learn our profitable strategy, then you're absolutely in the right place, guys. Also, we're not financial advisors, so any risk that you take upon yourself. Don't be risking more than 1% at any given time with any given trade. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. I hope you all are doing well. Give me a bit. I will just start sharing my charts with you all. But looking at these markets, they are very, very choppy after what happened yesterday and day before that. We had red folders opening up back to back for New York, so there is not a lot of volume that's going around in London. But yesterday and day before that, we got some pips. But let's see, guys, I am not expecting too much of movement right now, but I'm just sharing my charts with you. So here, guys, look at this. Nasty is already trying, but still this is only an impulse that we're looking at. We need to close in our box to be able to go down further. We need to break this demand zone. As you can see, it's 4-8 support, so it'll be harder for us to break, but we're trying to break it. It's still an impulse. Now I'm gonna just, because I'm seeing a lot of buyers here, guys, just give me a second. I need to make sure. Okay, this is a retest, guys, but then again we closed within our demand zone, so we don't know. This candle just could completely go up and just go to our supply zone as well, guys. You have to be extremely careful with that. Just give me a second, guys. I'm so sorry, guys. Our dogs, they're going crazy. They're going crazy, guys. Look at this. I'm not expecting a lot of volume today, guys, just because we had a very big day yesterday, and day before that we had a lot of red folders opening up. This is chop to me, guys. All of this is chop to me. Look at DAX. See, like I told you all, we might catch some support from our demand zone and move up. That's what Nasty is trying to do at this point. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Is anyone trading anything at this point? Are you all in any sort of feelers? Anything of that sort? Yes, I'm not expecting too much of volume today, just because it's Friday also, and we have other red folders opening up today. Again, gold is also trying, guys. This is just an impulse. If you all are trading gold, just be very careful, but it will be a good break of structure if we get it, or we could just push up straight up to our supply zone and go for the buys as well. Maybe we're trying to do something like this, or just wait, we could be doing something like this as well. This could be our right shoulder as we speak. They're forming it, maybe. Let's see what markets are going to do. And we could be doing something like this as well. Completely depends on the volume in the market. This is just an impulse on gold, guys. This is just an impulse on gold. Let's see. We need to close within our box. All the people who are new here. Is anyone new here? Is anyone attending our trading session for the first time? I see a lot of people that I know. But is anyone new here? Just give me a second, guys. Okay, so nobody's new here. You all are our old fam. Guys, these markets are boring. I've been sitting for only like 5 minutes now with you guys, and before that we were doing top down. It's boring. Look at gold though, guys. We're falling though. We're falling on gold, but this is just an impulse, guys. If you're entering in, be very careful. Maybe just in a feeler. If you're on gold, you should be in on a feeler. Nothing more than that. We have about 8 minutes to market open, guys. 7 minutes to market open, guys. Look at that. Nasty is just choppy. Got the wick and we're going up. Let's see. Guys, today is Friday. Fridays and Mondays are choppy. So if you made your profits for the whole week, whatever that your target was, 2%, 3%, 4, 5 or whatever, if you made that, don't risk that. Okay, especially for London, I would say don't. There could be fake outs because again it's Friday and we have a lot of news coming up again today. So just be very, very, very careful. Don't be putting in Lambos in these markets for London. You can play around with feeders and you can play around with your Corollas, but I wouldn't recommend you all playing around with Lambos at this time because it's Friday and it can be choppy. I know I'm repeating myself, but there are some people out there who will put big, big lots and end up losing money, and that's not what I want, guys. Trading is all about patience, especially London market. It's all about patience. If you don't have patience, don't come to London market open. Don't. I'm telling you. If you are that one trader who wants to get in on impulses and catch that, then maybe London is not for you. You need to learn patience for this. Okay? Maybe start with New York first and then come back to London, because it will make you wait. There will be fake outs, and if you're already in a big position without applying our strategy, which is the forex trading strategy, if you're not playing around with those rules, you could be in a major drawdown. Okay? What's happening, guys? Is anyone trading anything, or are we all just watching? Also, guys, last London session on Discord, whatever problems that we all have been facing. Okay, so today is the last day on Discord. We're going to be having the New York session as well on Discord, but after that, we'll be moving and all the announcements and everything will be done by Cram and Millzone.
Claim your forex calls role from Pings and Verify to get access to our private Zoom. All of you guys are going to be treated as our private members.
Guys, go to Pings and Verify and claim your role, because after this, when we start our sessions or maybe Zoom, or these people are going to make announcements, you all need this. You'll be receiving links for the same. So if you're not subscribed to this, then you need to do that so that you can get the notifications, because the sessions are not going to be happening on Zoom from Monday onwards. They will be happening, the sessions won't be happening on Discord, they'll be happening on Zoom. So for that, you need to be getting notified for the same. So just go to Pings and Verify and make sure that you've claimed your role, guys. No more drugs. It's very weird, guys. Crab and I, we keep talking that only Indian fam could hear him and nobody else. This is very, very weird. Look at gold, guys. Look at gold. Is anyone trading gold? Gold for London market, you can trade this. I mean, there are a lot of fake outs, but there is good volume also in gold. Gold is trying, guys. We could maybe just catch support. Just wait a minute from this area and push up. Okay? We need to be extremely, extremely careful. If anyone is trading gold, try to remove your partials around this time and just leave a feeder. Waiting for market open? Yes, me too. I hope we get some sort of volume. But if not, guys, you know that after market opens from past 2-3 days, our trades have been hitting. So just sit on these charts and mark these levels, and after we get done, you can trade these levels because they are hitting, because I am taking those trades. So you can do that as well, guys. Okay? But we're here to just learn, Today I was like, do I even need to go live? It's going to be choppy, but I was like, no, I have to. Our fam is going to be there and we're here to teach you guys. Irrespective of the fact that there is volume or not, I'm going to come here and teach you guys. Okay? Look at that, guys. We could just go up from a supply zone. Okay, we're going to test 50 on the RSI, guys. So we would catch support from here. That's what we're doing right now, and we could just push up to our supply zone at 4H resistance also. Okay? So just be careful. At this point, I wouldn't recommend you all getting into any sort of trades. We are 3 minutes away from market open. Anything could happen. Also, look at DAX, guys. If this structure breaks above our daily resistance, it could be a good break of structure, and maybe we can get good moves. But right now, it could be a fake out. So just be very, very careful. We tried to close within our green box earlier as well with the last 2 candles on DAX, but we could not. So just be careful. Okay? This is still again an impulse. Look at gold, guys. We're trying to catch support from our supply zone again, which is turning into demand. Let's see how this candle closes. We're trying to push up, guys, maybe because a lot of buyers sitting here. I can see this whole big zone above our 1H support looks like buyers sitting there to me.
If anyone's in on a gold feeler right now, have your stop loss up there.
If anyone is trading gold at this point with a feeler, nothing more than that, you shouldn't be in any more position, then your stop loss should be around this 4H resistance. Okay, and obviously with your risk management and money management, it can be a little different and you can put it according to yourself, but overall that should be the area that we're looking at for our stop loss. Look at ETH, guys. This makes me happy. This makes Cram really happy. Does anyone do crypto here? Okay guys, we can talk about this later. We have about 40 seconds to market open. Let's see what we get. I am changing the buys over here. This is a smaller position. Obviously the bigger buys will be above our 4H resistance, guys. Okay? I hope you all are not in anything more than feelers at this point. If you all have been trading London with me, you know that there are a lot of fake outs. Market will always mostly go in the opposite direction and then move into the direction we want it to. Okay? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Market open, guys. And nothing happened. Okay, DAX is trying to push up, Nasdaq is trying to push down, but maybe we can catch up. But gold is making a move, guys. Is anyone trading gold? DAX is moving to our still decision though, guys, in the market. Still indecision. Let's wait for this candle and see what they want to do. Okay, indecision, dirty candle. Even though it's a very small candle, this is what bothers me. You know, small candle with like long wicks. This is what bothers me. Indecision in the market at this point, guys. Be very careful. Don't be getting into any sort of trades right now. If you're trying to test it out, maybe with feelers, but nothing more than that. This can change. Look at DAX, guys. We're trying on DAX. This is just an impulse, but we need to close with our box, and obviously our bigger buys are going to be above our daily resistance. So if at this point you're trying to get into DAX, just feelers, guys. Nothing more than that. Okay, I'm going to try and test out DAX. Just feeler at this point. Okay. No. Are you setting orders? No, young blood, I'm not. I prefer market execution. That works well for me. No worries. No worries. Check gold. Yeah, gold is not doing anything. Again, we're catching buyers from there. That's a very strong area. Look at DAX. Still, we are in our green box. Just a second, guys. Slow, guys. Slow. But let's wait for this candle to close, and then maybe we can. Give me a second, guys.
I'm just checking.
Okay, guys, about 2.5 minutes for this candle to close. Nothing has happened as of now. Just indecision, pure indecision in these markets. I told you all, Fridays choppy. I hope you all did not enter these markets with Lambos or even Corollas at this point. Very choppy, guys. I'm sure these moves are going to happen, but maybe 1 hour after market open. That's what happens. Are you charting this?
I'm doing a quick top down on GU for you.
Guys, just give me a second. I'm just doing a quick top down on GBP/USD for you all to get something, okay? We just keep monitoring gold and indices and let me know if anything is happening, okay? Okay guys, this is GBP USD for you all. This is just a rough top down that I've done. And for now these levels will work. Again, we need to look at DAX guys. But gold is trying guys. Is anyone trading gold? I stay away from gold mostly, unless I see very good volume. But this is not good volume for me. No, this is not. This is so slow, it makes me like crazy. I don't know, these candles should move, they should give us moves. I'm just putting it on some alerts so that you get notified. Yes. Okay, Nasdaq did close.
Consider this the
Okay. Is anyone trading Nasdaq? Guys, I'm in on gold. I'm making about $1,000 on gold at this point. 1,000. I knew that I was going to touch 1,200, guys. Okay, I want to liquidate my position because I'm not going to get anything more than that. Okay, this is it. If it was going to fall from the to the demand zone, I caught that move, and that's it. I'm done. I don't want to trade this. Just now I was talking about I don't want to trade gold, but I did, guys. Because I need volume, and that's what gold is doing. And something is happening on GBP USD. Just okay, GBP USD. This is just an impulse, guys. We're trying to get into our green box, go below our demand zone, guys. Is anyone trading Nasdaq, guys? Is anyone trading Nasdaq? Look at Nasty. I think Nasty was the move today. Is anyone in on Nasdaq? Still in DAX feeler?
Tell them I'm sending my position.
Also guys, I'm sending my positions. The feeler that I had on DAX, I made a loss on that.
See, I've shared my position.
Guys, I shared my position. You can check gold and you can check DAX. DAX gave me a loss, but that was just a feeler for me, guys. And $1 is something that I can handle for my account. So $1 a bit is okay. If I lost $11 on that, I'm fine.
See, my stop loss for DAX is going to be this area, those wicks on the break of it.
Guys, for DAX, I'm still in on DAX with just my feeler because I know that we can fill that wick up, but my stop loss is going to be below our demand zone, below these wicks, because I know DAX will completely go down, touch that, and go up as well. Okay. GBP. Okay. Is anyone trading GBP? GBP is doing good today, guys. Both GBP and gold. Indices are not doing anything. Maybe indices are waiting for today's news that's happening for New York. But we need to retest this, guys. Again, remember, this is just an impulse. Okay? We need to close within our box. And this has become our supply zone. We're still waiting to close below that. Again, we have some buyers sitting over here in this area. If we break this, we could go easily down to fill the wick on the left. Okay? So let's see. DAX trying. Okay, I told you all we're going to fill this wick. So we've filled this wick. Now we need to break this with momentum to go to our supply zone. And if we break our daily resistance, which I think we can, look at this volume. This will be a good break of structure. If we break it, we're flying on DAX maybe. But this is good resistance that's coming from our supply zone, guys. Also, like I was telling you all yesterday, daily resistance to break on during London is very hard because we don't have that much volume running in those markets, right? Oh God, that was dirty. If anyone was in on this, I hope you all removed your positions. We hit our TP, we got that, but please guys, I hope nobody was trading big lot size.
I pulled out my feeder for 20, for 5 pips.
Also for DAX, I pulled out my feeler for 5 pips.
In profit. In profit.
Trying again. This is just pushing. This is what I was talking about, guys. This is chop. Okay, so again, this is the candle where we're testing our supply zone. This is a retest. We need to get rejected from our supply zone, go down and break our wick and go down to our demand zone with good momentum. Okay, we're still pushing up. Look at gold. Okay, DAX trying again. Guys, this is the... Okay, look at Nasty. Okay, this is the kind of markets I don't like to trade. This is just push and pull, push and pull. They're just trading sideways, guys, and they're not giving moves. Press.
See, I think the one-on-one helped you yesterday already.
Prasanth, I think the one-on-one really helped you. Congratulations. I'm very happy to see that. Congratulations. You're gonna do good. Don't worry. We've got you. Also, if anyone is new here, if you all want to join one-on-one sessions, Prasanth had his first session yesterday and he's already trading really well, guys. Look at these choppy markets and what he did. Amazing. Congratulations. If you all want to sign up for one-on-ones, you can message me or Kram. If you want to DM me, he's probably not going to reply to your messages because he has a lot of people messaging him. But for one-on-ones, you all can message me and we can take it forward, guys. Okay? If anyone is new here and you want to learn Forex trading from the beginning in depth, then you absolutely need it, guys. And just 1 second for gold. I'm saying if we break our demand zone, which we need volume for, also there is, if you look at it, there is divergence, guys. Okay, what divergence is this? One-on-ones? What's happening on gold? What sort of divergence am I looking at this point? Zero is typing bullish. Raul is typing bullish. Yes, guys, absolutely. This is bullish divergence. Again, this is a very strong area that we're trying to break. We're not able to break that, but look at Nasdaq. Okay, this is just chop, guys. The Nasty is moving. Is anyone trading Nasdaq? But guys, again, this also what we're trading is only sideways trading. We don't have that much volume, and DAX is the choppiest. I know DAX is going to make a beautiful move, guys. DAX is going to make a beautiful move, but not right now. But not right now. Give it some time.
See, guys, I want to thank you all so much. I think this is the most number of people we've had on London. It really means a lot, and I want you guys to join us on our private Zoom starting Monday.
Also, guys, I just noticed that we have 33 people today for the live. I'm really happy, guys. Thank you so much. Usually there are not a lot of people trading London market, but I'm so happy that you all are getting up so early in the morning and coming for these sessions. Look at Nasdaq, guys. If someone was trading Nasdaq, we're trying to hit our TP, and this is a good strong bullish candle. But thank you so much, guys. I really love it when you all are there to support me. I would want you all to join our Zoom private sessions as well for London and for New York market open. Really means a lot. Look at that, guys. I just forgot to see that. Okay, Nasdaq. If we break our supply zone, guys, we could go up to this area. Okay, but again, let this candle close. Don't buy right now. Also, this is the top. Don't be buying the top. Wait for confirmation and retest and then enter. Okay, and if gold is catching support from our demand zone, we could go up, and the buys look good where they are currently to me for gold. Look at Nasdaq. We're pushing, guys. Look. Oh my god, why didn't I trade Nasdaq? I don't know. I thought Nasdaq, I wasn't even going to chart it, but then I was like, okay, I love Nasdaq, so I should. But look at that. This is, we need to break this, guys. If we break this, we're going up and filling our last zone, no problem on Nasdaq. We have about 30 seconds for this candle to close. If we push up, we know that we're going to push up. We have a lot of buyers over here, that's what I can see. Again, wait for the retest and confirmation, guys. Okay, you all need to do that. GBP USD, if you look at it, we're still maintaining our trend line. We're still below our trend line. We're trying to go down, but there is no volume that's pushing it. I want to see the indices. Just 1 second. Okay. Maybe we're trying to make something on Nasdaq. One-on-ones will know. Maybe we're trying to make something on DAX and push up even further because we don't have that much volume, right? We're doing something on Nasdaq, and this will be a good break of structure for both Nasdaq and German 30, guys. Remember that. Can't miss on these wonderful sessions. That's so sweet, Zero. Thank you so much. Thank you. Look at GBP USD. We're still below our supply zone, which is a good thing. Again, we're testing our trend line. We need to stay below that, or else we're going up. Look at German 30. This is the worst kind of market that I would trade. Like, I wouldn't trade this. Like, this is stupid. Like, these wicks tell me that I need to stay away from this. Nasty is still better than that, so I'm surprised. I really am. Okay, we're breaking our trend line. Let's see how this candle closes. We could completely get rejected from our trend line and go down also, guys. But looks like we're testing our 50 on the RSI.
Bullish divergences could be playing out.
Also, the bullish divergence could be playing out. Also, guys, you need to know that all these patterns and all these indicators, whether it's RSI, Death Cross, Golden Cross, all these can be manipulated. And look at that. It looks like a very big move, guys, if we push above our 4H resistance, but that's only 18 pips. Okay? But again, start compounding your pips. That's what I tell you all every day. Greed comes you and bites you in the ass when you're like $20, $30, $50 away from your daily target, and you end up taking different trades. So you say that, okay, these 10 pips don't matter, I'm not going to go and trade London because it's choppy. But if you had caught those 10 pips, you wouldn't need to sit and go and revenge trade to make like $10, $50 that you lost in those markets to just hit your target. Rather, you can compound it, make 10, 15 pips on London, which is possible. Look at Nasdaq, you could have done that. Gold also, if you took 5 pips from gold maybe and 10 pips from Nasdaq, you're done. And then you need to make whatever 20, 30 pips, and I think 50 pips is a good goal for everyone. You all are starting right now. I think 50 pips is an amazing goal with the kind of money management and risk management that you all have. So that's it. Start compounding your pips. Make 10 here and make 40 here. That's it, you're done. That's how you need to control your emotions in these markets and give yourself more chance to trade and understand. And also the way these markets are moving, London is going to move differently, New York is going to move differently. If you guys have traded Tokyo, it's completely different, guys. You can make money at any time when you're sitting on these markets. You just need to practice, and that's what I'm telling you all. But look at ETH, guys. 2000 is a very strong psychological number as well. In trading, we give a lot of importance to these areas. But look at that, we're pushing up. Okay, our next area could be this, and that's pretty far, guys. That's around 2400, and now we're currently at 2114. This looks good to me. If we go down, this is a bigger break of structure if you look at it, guys, and that's what we're trying to break. Look at this big structure, guys. If we break this, which we are doing currently, we can push up, guys. We're breaking the downtrend, guys. We just broke that. We're going up. We got support from 2000, which is a very strong psychological area. We're pushing up. Got support from 1790. We went and we broke to 2000, and now we're just pushing up. Great. This is nice, but it's crypto is heavily manipulated. It's hard to scalp crypto. I haven't tried ever. I haven't. Does anyone trade crypto over here? Okay, guys, again, nothing much is happening, guys. Only Nasty was a move for the day. DAX, this is choppy, guys. Stay away from DAX unless you see clean moves. Don't trade DAX. We need good volume. This is chop. This. If you're trading this must be hitting your stop losses left, right, center. This is not giving you a clean move whether to go up or down. They're just playing around with us, and if you look at it, we're just sideways trading. But look at Nasty. Nasty was the move. Gold is also trying to catch support from a demand zone, and you all have buys and sells for GBP USD as well. You can take the levels, guys. Please take these levels so you all can trade later on. Okay, GBP USD is trying. We need to break this area to go up for buys. You can start layering your positions with feeders right now, but nothing more than that, guys. I don't want to. Also, guys, on Nasdaq we hit TP. Okay, this was a good move. Look at this clean break of structure, guys, on Nasdaq. If we break this, we could push up to here. Okay, and then all the way to daily resistance, but again we need volume for that. Okay, we're trying to break that. Let's see how we do that. This will be even a bigger break of structure for us if this happens. Okay, Nasty is playing cool from a couple of days. Nasty is doing really well for New York and for London market. I'm surprised. Okay, guys, I don't think anything is going to happen in these markets. You all have my levels, like how you all traded yesterday and day before. Some people were monitoring these levels even after the session got over, and they made a lot of money. So you guys can keep these levels and trade later on these levels. But for now, I don't think anything is happening in the markets. And that's it, guys. If you all have any questions, you can go ahead and ask me. If not, then I'm just going to finish the session right now, and then I'll see you all for New York. I think we're going a little early for New York. We have red folders opening up. We'll keep you all updated. In case you want to check, you can go and check the schedule as well. Okay? Also for one-on-ones, if anyone is new here, you all can message me, but I see a lot of familiar faces over here. One-on-ones, please message me. Kram might not be able to reply. He has a lot of DMs. He keeps on missing on them, but you can message me. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. It was a good session. We learned a lot nonetheless. We didn't get volume, but we learned a lot. Thank you so much, guys, for being here. I really appreciate you all. I see you all on Monday for Zoom private sessions. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you all for New York. Bye. Take care.